How goes it, YouTube? Today I'm coming to you with another review slash demo slash how-to video. I'm doing curls with pipe cleaners. And yes, I said it right, pipe cleaners. Now, with this, you want to make sure that you're putting it on either damped hair or pre-washed hair. You're going to use a carrier oil like grapeseed oil, almond oil, avocado oil. It's really up to you. Coconut oil, whatever oil you choose, and spread it all across your hair. And then you want to also use a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer or conditioner so that it can, or a setting lotion to help your hair to keep its form. I'm using the Curl Unleashed leave-in conditioner. I'm applying it to the sections of my hair before I apply the pipe cleaners. And I'm going to excuse the car noise in the background. Sorry. I'm going to use 2 pipe cleaners per each section. And I would suggest you wipe off the pipe cleaners before you use them so the fuzz won't get in your hair. And you want to hold one side and wrap it around to the other side. As you'll see, I'll do continuously throughout the video. As you're applying the pipe cleaners, you want to be very careful not to rip your hair or anything. And in the front, I put them together so that they stay out of my face. And as the rest of my hair, I'm going to leave it straight and just pull over the ends, as you'll see in a minute. But remember, you want to be very careful not to tangle your hair, and you want to put your hair over evenly and distribute it all the way through. And you can use big sections, small sections. It's really up to you. And as you can see, I was having issues with the fuzz that was on the pipe cleaners. But as you can see, I'm applying it from the top and holding the clip in the corner. Holding the end into a hoop into the corner of my hand as I wrap it around to make it easier for me. And you just curl under the ends.
In the ATL, that's my homeboy. Watch your back if you're gonna walk alone, boy. Cause everybody in the homeboys trying to get rich. You could get hit even if you know 'em, boy. We the kings of the South. Pies in the oven, grills in the mouths. Count stacks is a usual norm. College Park, Bankhead, where the hustle was born. So peace up and A-Town down. 4-4 living with the 808 sound. Nightlife popping, ain't nobody stopping. Cutting up a rug when the beat dropping. The dirty birds nest here, and then they haters get to talking. Then they falling on the deaf ears. This is where trap music was born. On the 50-yard line of the Georgia Dome. In the ATL. Pop that, drop that, dirty birds, you ain't never gonna stop that. ATL. We the best, this dirty South, living from MIA to Texas. ATL. Drop stacks in the tip cup, buying out the bar at the strip club. ATL. GA all day, let me show you how we living down south in the ATL. Ow. Talk to him. I mean, sometimes you got people going against you and you just gotta go above and beyond all that. Let's go. Straight up the top, just so you know ain't no stopping us. Yeah, I see you been watching us. You could try, but you better off. I ain't a spectate from the audience. Why you hating from the bleachers? Cheerleaders is loving us. Grab a pom-pom, baby. Last year we was last place, this year we in first. We was hungry for the title, now we quenching our thirst. You was on your best behavior, yeah, we on our worst. Killing the competition, rolling around in a hearse. Life is like chess, except it ain't a game. Some pawns remain pawns, some pawns become kings. Think before you move, think 3 steps ahead. Peep game, protect queen. Some rooks get took, some knights get swiped, some bishops get slain. I'ma tell you like my homie told me. Life is like chess, except it ain't a game. So when you gotta want it, you know my team want it. You know my team want it. You ain't know, ain't no stopping us. Nah. Ain't no stopping us. Nah. Ain't no stopping us. And when you gotta want it, you know my team want it. You know my team want it. You ain't know, ain't no stopping us. Nah. Ain't no stopping us, nah. You know my team want it,
Now, after you let your hair sit, after you've applied it, you want to let your hair dry, which I let my hair dry for roughly 8 hours because my hair is it's thick and it's long, so it takes longer to dry. So I allowed 8 hours, and yeah, so here I'm going to start unraveling the hair from around them. It comes off really easily. You just have to make sure you unhook one end and unhook the other. So you want to make sure you hook each end to make sure it doesn't stick to the rest of your hair and your hair is not sticking out of it to keep it secure. And after you undo all your hair, you're going to want to separate your hair and separate the curls so that you'll have your volume, unless you don't want volume, but I would advise you to pick apart your hair, which you'll see in a little bit.
In the ATL, that's my homeboy. Watch your back if you're gonna walk alone, boy. Cause everybody in the homeboys trying to get rich. You could get hit even if you know 'em, boy. We the kings of the South. Pies in the oven, grills in the mouths. Count stacks is a usual norm. College Park, Bankhead, where the hustle was born. So peace up and A-Town down. 4-4 living with the 808 sound. Nightlife popping, ain't nobody stopping. Cutting up a rug when the beat dropping. The dirty birds nest here, and then they haters get to talking. Then they falling on the deaf ears. This is where trap music was born, on the 50-yard line of the Georgia Dome. In the ATL, pop that, drop that. Dirty birds, you ain't never gonna stop that. ATL, we the best, this dirty South, living from MIA to Texas. ATL, drop stacks in the tip cup, buying out the bar at the strip club. ATL, GA all day, let me show you how we living down south in the ATL.
Now, as I was saying earlier, I got all of the pipe cleaners out of my hair. Now I'm going to start separating each curl individually to give myself the volume and to give me that look that I'm looking for my Shirley Temple pipe cleaner curls.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ow. Talk to him. I mean, sometimes you got people going against you and you just got to go above and beyond all that. Let's go. Straight up the top, just so you know ain't no stopping us. Yeah, I see you been watching us. You could try, but you better off I ain't a spectate from the audience. Why you hating from the bleachers? Cheerleaders is loving us. Grab a pom-pom, baby. Last year we was last place, this year we in first. We was hungry for the title, now we quenching our thirst. You was on your best behavior, yeah, we on our worst. Killing the competition, rolling around in a hearse. Life is like chess, except it ain't a game. Some pawns remain pawns, some pawns become kings. Think before you move, think 3 steps ahead. Peep game, protect queen. Some rooks get took, some knights get swiped, some bishops get slain. I'ma tell you like my homie told me, life is like chess except it ain't a game. So when you gotta want it, you know my team want it, you know my team want it. You ain't no stopping us, nah. Ain't no stopping us, nah. Ain't no stopping us. And when you gotta want it, you know my team want it, you know my team want it. You ain't no stopping us, nah. Ain't no stopping us, nah. You know my team want it,
Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any comments, put them below. If you have any questions, put them below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. You can hit me up on any social media platform. I really thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave them below. Any videos you want me to do, any videos that you see that you will want me to review, I will surely review them if you hit me up below or message me on any of the social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. All right, you guys. Peace.